Effective and efficient broaching is dependent upon the proper indication of the broach holder. In order to properly indicate the broach, the setup man will require a dial indicator on a stand and a V-block fixture to hold the broach holder. The holder contains 4 set screws, which are utilized to position the broach to center. The broach is placed in the holder and scaled such that it protrudes from the holder the same distance as is shown in the workpiece layout. The broach is then secured in the holder, and the screw in the shank of the holder is threaded in to support the back of the broach and prevent the broach from pushing back into the holder. The broach holder is placed on the V-type fixture and positioned such that an indicator reading may be obtained at the corners of the broach. The broach holder is then rotated against the stylus of the indicator. The first indication of the broach shows the broach to be off-center. The aligning screw on the minus side at the holder is loosened slightly, and the opposite screw tightened to position the broach to center. The broach holder is now re-indicated. After obtaining an indicator reading within 0.02 of an inch, the broach holder may be installed in the machine. It may become necessary in some cases to indicate the broach in the machine, although positioning the broach in the preceding manner will generally suffice. The first step in the installation of the broach holder is to install the 900 collar on the spindle and thread the set screw into the hole in the spindle. The set screw should not protrude into the inside diameter of the spindle, or it will obstruct the installation of the holder shank. The broach holder should bottom against the front of the spindle. The set screw is now tightened. Due to the presence of a positive return, it is extremely important that the 900 collar does not contact the bearing in the stationary head upon index. Advance the machine to the beginning of the rise of the broaching cam and adjust the turnbuckle such that the broach is 0.10 from the workpiece. Broach a workpiece and gauge for broach depth.